The history of Japanese New Year, Shōgatsu, is rooted in traditions influenced by the Chinese lunar calendar. Japan adopted the Gregorian calendar in 1873, aligning New Year's Day with January 1st. Despite this, Shōgatsu remains a time to honor the gods, especially Toshikoshi-sama, the god of the new year. Preparations for Shōgatsu begin on New Year's Eve, Amisoka, with Osechi, a thorough cleaning of homes symbolizing purification. This ritual removes the year's clutter, paving the way for new beginnings. Toshikoshi Soba, long buckwheat noodles eaten on New Year's Eve, symbolize longevity and a fresh start. A pivotal tradition is Hatsumōde, the first shrine visit of the year, where people pray for health, prosperity, and happiness. Major shrines like Meiji Jingu attract millions, reflecting the importance of spiritual renewal. Homes and businesses are decorated with katamatsu, welcoming gods and inviting fortune. Shimenawa, rice straw ropes, are hung to ward off evil spirits. Osechi Ryori, traditional New Year's cuisine, is prepared in advance and stored in jabako, lacquer boxes. Each dish holds symbolic meanings, such as health, fertility, and stability, reflecting hopes for the year to come. Ozoni, a soup with mochi, vegetables, and sometimes seafood or chicken, varies by region, embodying local tastes. Otoshidama, where children receive money in decorated envelopes, highlights the festive spirit. Nengejo, New Year's cards, symbolize goodwill and connection with others. Kakizome, the first calligraphy of the new year, is performed on January 2nd, marking new beginnings and aspirations. Traditional games like Hanatsuki and Koma add to the festivities. Hanatsuki is similar to badminton, while Koma are spinning tops, enjoyed by children and families. Various regions celebrate with unique festivals, such as the Wakamizu ceremony in Nara, emphasizing renewal by drawing fresh water at dawn. Spiritual ceremonies like Shishimai, a traditional lion dance, aim to drive away evil spirits and bring good luck, accompanied by taiko drums. Shōgatsu is a time for family bonding and reunion, where extended families gather to strengthen ties and share cultural practices. Nun no Chikai, or New Year's resolutions, are made, fostering reflection on past accomplishments and future goals, stimulating personal and professional growth. The New Year is an occasion to appreciate nature, often emphasized in decorations and reverence for seasonal changes, signifying harmony between humanity and the natural world. The essence of Shōgatsu lies in its meticulous preservation and transmission through generations. Elders play a crucial role in passing down these traditions, ensuring the cultural heritage of Shōgatsu continues to thrive and adapt over time. In conclusion, the Japanese New Year encapsulates a blend of spiritual renewal, cultural symbolism, and family unity. By maintaining these traditions, Shōgatsu reinforces cherished values and inspires hope, marking both an end and a beginning, as society embraces the possibilities of the new year.